So we had again, I think it was a singleton workflow where we were essentially querying for a I workflow queue name or workflow ID prefix,
Mm.
and we went to our planet scale dashboard and we saw this like one query that was just like eating up all of our CPU. Because we were essentially abusing DBOS to make this pattern work that we actually were using with ingest, and it was working until we added a lot of moved over a lot of workflows to use that pattern, and it just started eating up like 90% of our CPU time on our planet scale instance. And the nice thing is we could literally see it there. It said like this query exactly, like we could see the exact query that was taking up 90% of our CPU time. And we just copied that query, took it to Claude Code, gave it the DBOS repo, and said, figure out why this is slow. And it could find
Really?
all the indices that DBOS has indexed, obviously. Um, and we figured out, okay, this doesn't have an index. We added the index, and we could see CPU time just drop instantly. And we sent that screenshot of CPU time dropping to you guys, along with the code change, and it was merged like I think the next day. It makes it so much easier when it's open source. We that's and we have our Slack channel. We I know we bother you guys a lot, but you guys have been so responsive to all the changes. Like I think we also worked on a better TypeScript serialization together,
Mm.
and you guys have been great with that. Where we added super JSON support to steps where
Mhm.
we can serialize non-serializable values that would normally not be supported by Node.js or Bun in our case.
Mhm. Wow, this is the first time that I hear that it was actually Claude that came up with the index. I thought you guys were really, really good.
We do this a lot now. I saw a Twitter post. We use something called Effect. An Effect is like this TypeScript library,
Mm.
and it's more like a framework. And the Effect founder was like, "Our docs aren't that great. You should just be cloning the repo and asking Claude to like find you the right patterns." And it's true. It gives you better information. And uh, Claude 4.5 is out today, and just you just ask it and just figure out from the examples from like it will literally look at the test files in the repo to figure out the optimal pattern instead of looking at the documentation.
Wow. Wow, that's something else.